Hello everyone, welcome to our tech channel WeekiTechi. We hope you all are enjoying our videos and getting the record information about your budget bills. Today we are here with another budget setup that will help you if you are willing to start a YouTube channel for yourself. We will be giving you ideas of which equipment to buy and what software to use to process your content. And fear not, we kept the budget at a bare minimum of just $489. Yes, just $489. To start a YouTube channel, you first have to keep in mind to give your viewer quality content. Proper equipment will give you a high quality video and audio output for your viewer, which will make them even more interested in your channel. Let's start with the camera. You need to have to record your content. A cheap bridge camera, in this case the Panasonic Lumix DC FZ80, with a broad zoom range and useful add-on features like focus stacking. It delivers a lot of value for its price. The Lumix FZ80 includes a new higher resolution image sensor, a new CPU, and an array of additional functions, including 4K UHD video recording while supporting the same 60x zoom lens. It comes up with a 1x2.3-inch CMOS sensor that can take 18 megapixels of photos. The lens has 60x zoom, that's equivalent to 20 to 1200 mm, with a focal length of f/2.8 to 5.9. It can shoot continuously at 10 frames per second. It has raw format assistance, can record in 4K UHD, has photo modes in 4K, and a Wi-Fi built in. You can control everything on a 3-inch LCD touchscreen in this device. The FZ80's variety of video functions is one of its best features. Up to 15 minutes of continuous recording in 4K UHD is possible in this device. It can record up to 60 frames per second in full HD mode. In 720 resolution, it can record 120 frames per second, and if you want to push to 240 frames per second, that is also possible at 640 by 480 resolution. As mentioned, the good side, it does have a few bad points. The FZ80 lacks a microphone or headphone jack. Additionally, there is considerable wobble and noise when the built-in lens zooms, making it less than ideal for filming while zooming. When it comes to the simplicity and affordability of audio, the Blue Snowball maintains the standards you'd expect from a device aimed at new musicians or YouTubers. The spherical cardioid enclosure is only equipped with a 3-way toggle switch on the rear. Choose between pickup patterns. A red LED indicator light indicates the power is on. The 3 input have the following number: 1 for direct, 2 for omnidirectional, and 3 for -10 dB, which is best for a noisy sources. The Blue Snowball, on the other hand, is exactly what it appears to be. It is supported by a rather solid tripod, and its thick metal pole ensures that the device is always upright. However, if the area you are in isn't treated for the acoustic, the mic tends to take a lot of room sound from around a foot away, which might be an issue. It is possible to get a cleaner recording with less ambient noise and sharp highs by moving in closer by around 6 to 8 inches. Nevertheless, the Snowball Eyes design, which incorporate a built-in screen beneath the grill surface, allows it to perform a quite good job for preventing plosives. Tripods. This is nothing fancy, just a stand for your camera that will act as a helping hand while you shoot. Although the higher budget tripods offer various functions built in, but those are something you must not have to start your video making process. So why waste money on something that you don't actually need that often? The tripod comes with a 50-inch collapsible height adjuster, a quick release mechanism, and a swivel function that lets you turn your device from portrait to landscape and also your favorable angles as you wish. And all that gonna cost you only $15. It's a bang for the buck deal. Lights. This tiny LED panel light from UV size comes up with a 1x4 universal ball head, which allows you to simply tilt the panel up to 180 degrees to match your various shooting angle requirement. It also has an adjustable 10 to 100% brightness level choice. The up and down button makes it simple to adapt your shooting situation. The studio lighting kit will be very useful for getting the greatest result and capturing the appropriate time when you're producing a video. With a low effort, it can create ideal studio lighting and illumination for films and photographs. LED desktop video illumination with the tripod is equipped with 2x4 color filter, red, orange, white and blue, which can fulfill a variety of photographic requirements and visual effects. It is also suitable for YouTube videos and product photography. So at the end, you'll be up and ready to shoot your videos with the equipment I have mentioned here. Now to process and edit the videos, you need to use certain softwares and tools to create the output video using your recorded files. We'll be uploading next part of this video very soon on which software to make the video. We'll mention all the free software in that video, which are also the industry standard. So keep in touch for the next part of this video, and finally do not forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. So stay tuned and stay techy with WeekiTechi.